Here we have the KV440. Now the V here stands for Verbund and refers to the integrated blind options that you get with the Internorm windows. This one that we have on display has a manually corded blind. This is also available with electronic controls, but the one on display we've decided to go for cords to show off both options. One of the things that's really unique about the Internorm integrated blind options are that they're accessible. This can be particularly helpful when you've got electronic blinds, therefore you can access them if anything goes wrong or if you manually need to charge them as well. As you'll see here, when I open up this, there is an additional fourth pane of glass on the outside. You can then just pop these two tabs up and then allow for this to come out. Then you can pop out the blinds should you need to change them for any reason, and then close this back up. So you can put the window back in place. With the KV440, this is UPVC on aluminium. So here on display, we've got the white wood grain finish, which is referred to as Edelweiss, but you can also get the cream grain, the dark grey grain, or a range of wood finishes as well. With any of the KV or HV options, you get a fourth pane of glass on the outside, essentially making it a quadruple glazed window. It's not truly a quadruple glazed window because there isn't gas between the third and the fourth pane. That is just where the blinds are situated to make sure that they're not exposed to the outside. With that additional space between the third and the fourth pane, the KV options can also be a brilliant addition if you're looking to improve the acoustics of your window, although you can also get very impressive acoustics with some of the laminated options within the Internorm standard glass options. With Internorm being a tilt and turn system, you can go to very wide and tall windows, which you typically can't do with an open out system. As you can see here, we have roughly about a 1200 wide window, but we could easily go to 1500 wide as well. Same as with the other windows, you're able to turn. This is primarily for cleaning again, so you can just get easy access. But majority of the time, you would use the tilt function, and that allows for a nice amount of ventilation into the room space without any increased security risks.